What's up, everybody? Today we're using the Turtle Wax Lens Headlight Restoring Kit, and we are going to do this and restore our headlights on a 2014 CX-5. As you can see, the headlight is not super dirty, but we're going to go ahead and do it anyway because I've used the Meguiar's Plastic X or whatever it's called, and it cleans it for a little bit, but it always keeps coming back. So we're going to try this kit. It was only like 13 bucks, and we're going to give it a whirl. So let's get started. Check out all the parts. So we're going to use the Turtle Wax kit, and we're going to get this side done now. This is the left side headlight. The right side I've already done, and you have to get them both done so that you can apply the wipe and the base coat to it so that it is sealed properly. So let's get to it. It looks a lot better already. Start with number one, the green side. Take this. Now we're going to flip over to the brown side, number two. Going to pad number three. And now to number four. Gotta polish it again. And there, it says to let it haze and dry up, and then we polish it out. So once we get this off, we've got these two wipes. We've got a lens base coat wipe and a lens sealing wipe. And that one. And that one. Alright, so it says important, restore both lenses before opening the lens base coat wipe, which we're in the process of finishing the second lens. Open pouch containing the lens base coat wipe using the plastic glove included. Oh, I guess I didn't need this the whole time. Quickly coat both lenses with the wipe. Once dry, immediately follow with the lens sealing wipe, which helps prevent future yellowing. Coating will cure within 24 hours. However, vehicle can be driven immediately after application. Okay, so I'm gonna put a new glove on because this has polish and compound and all sorts of stuff all over it. All right, let's get this stuff off here. All right, so we're gonna use the base wipe. You're just gonna see it on this one. I'm gonna do it on the other side too, but I'm just gonna focus on this one for the camera. Oh, I should put my glove on, it says. Hopefully I can get the glove on this time. I'm gonna take this. Just gonna wipe over the whole thing, just horizontally. Try to get everything. Wow, that looks amazing. It looks amazing though, doesn't it? We still have the lens sealing wipe to do. Okay, it says to let it dry. Alright, it looks like it's dry. Coat both lenses with an even back and forth motion. And there you have it. I got the lenses cleaned, sealed. I think they look amazing. I'm gonna get this tape off. It says it takes 24 hours to cure. So there you have it. That was super easy, relatively cheap, and I think it looks amazing. So, if you like this kind of stuff and you think this video is beneficial, consider subscribing. If not, that's cool. Come back again, check out some other videos regardless. But yeah, super happy with the way this looks. I mean, it looks sharp. And I think once this totally dries and seals, it's gonna look even better. Right now I can still see some of the wetness in the headlight. Yeah, pretty cool. Let me know what you think in the comments.